Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new unboxing, because today I want to unbox with you together the new Valentino sneakers in white leather, which I find so beautiful. So I think let's get started. So here we have the Valentino Garavani box, which is in the typical reddish color. I find those boxes so beautiful, and this red color is bomb, guys. So I will unbox it with you together. So in here you already find the band-aids in white, and I think here you can find some Valentino postcards, like mini postcards, also in red. I will just put those down. And what I really love about Valentino and also other brands is that they will give you a safety bag for your shoes. I will show this to you in here. This is so beautiful, and you can fit every of your shoes inside of this safety thing. It's really beautiful and nice. So guys, let's unpack those shoes together. As you can see, Valentino packs the shoes really nicely and really like detailing, because they don't have to get damaged. So in here we find the first shoe, which is this one. So I will put this down and I will take the other one out. So guys, this is the Valentino new sneakers. These are, I think, classic sneakers from Valentino in a typical nice sneaker color. So I will put one down to show you this sneaker a little bit closer. Here we have the sneaker from the front. So as you can see, we have the white leather also with the light gray color, and the Valentino logo is all around. It's firstly here written in silver writing. It's the V and the L, and here we have the T and the N. And also, if you look from the side, you have a lot of color. This is like a nude color, a brownish color, and also the Valentino logo is on it, written on it. On the back you have the Valentino logo again, written in silver writing on a white leather part. So it's beautifully made. And also from the front, if you look up here, you have also the Valentino logo. So guys, this shoe cannot be more Valentino than it already is. It is a beautiful shoe. I will just make a 360 grades view from this shoe. I hope you can see it, quite detailing. It's a beautiful shoe. I am the size 37, so I think this shoe is okay from the sizes. So if you know your size, you can order it without having any doubts. And for this shoe I paid 690 euros. And I think it's quite pricier sneaker, but for this shoe it's okay, because you have a lot of quality and you cannot find a similar sneaker that is made so beautifully and so detailing as this shoe is. So I'm really in love with it, and I just unboxed them, but I'm looking forward to wearing them. So I will wear them to my office also, because those are sporty, but they give you a look of also a little bit of elegance, and those are Valentino sneakers, so they are a classic, they are timeless, and I really can just recommend you these sneakers, because I also have some other Valentino sneakers, so I can tell you that the Valentino sneakers are so comfortable, and you can walk in them all day long. You won't even feel the shoe. The sole, as you can see, is quite big, so it's a thicker sole, but it's really nice. Also, if you are a little bit short as a girl, you can gain up to, I think, 3 centimeters, so it's beautiful. Also, what I like about this shoe is that you have the white leather all around, and the sole is not white anymore. It's again this nude brownish color, and here you can see how it goes up to the front of the shoe with the same coloring. It's made so beautifully. I am in love with this shoe, and I really want to show you how this shoe will look like if you are wearing them. So guys, now I want to show you how I am wearing those beautiful Valentino sneakers. This is the side view. So I really love this shoe because it's so comfortable, and I also want to show you this from the back. As you can see, we have the Valentino Garavani logo written in silver at the back of the shoe, so it's really beautiful. Also, look at the sole, guys. The sole is so beautiful. It's a beige color, like so brownish, and I am really in love with it. Just look at the color from the side with the logo. Also from the front you can see everything. This is made of real leather, as I told you, and it's a beautiful piece. You can wear it with jeans, with leggings, with absolutely everything, also with a sporty dress, and the color playing is beautifully made. So babes, I was so happy to finally be doing this unboxing with you together, and I would be really glad if you would like my video, comment it, and also subscribe to my channel so you can discover all the things that I want to show you with me together. I will upload my videos on Tuesday, Fridays, and sometimes even on Sundays with a surprise video, so stay tuned and subscribe to Mary's Closet.